Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick review and breakdown of this Taurus G3. Alright, this is the full size, okay? But before we start getting into any of those other components there, we want to make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we can see the magazine has been removed, and with a yellow indicator right here, we can see that there are no rounds present in that mag. We're going to go ahead and tip this up, keeping it pointed in a safe direction, and we can see that there are no additional magazines in that magazine well. We're going to go ahead and swivel that around. Alright, we're going to go ahead and inspect the chamber of that barrel to make sure there are no rounds present. This is very important because during the takedown process we do have to pull that trigger, okay? So we want to be absolutely certain there are no rounds present. Alright, so quick parts identification, some features here. Alright, we do have our magazine release right here. We have our slide catch or slide release right here. This does have two different safeties. You kind of have that trigger safety right there, and then you actually have that thumb safety right there. Alright, so up is safe, down is fire, ready to go. Okay. Now, added feature on this full size, alright, this does have this plate right here. If we remove these two screws, we can take this plate off and we can mount like a red dot optic on there, alright. Depending on what you're doing or how you're running it, you may want to get elevated sights if you're trying to co-witness those sights through the glass of your optic, okay. But that is a nice feature on the full size G3. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this firearm down real quick, again making sure that there are no rounds present in that barrel. We're going to go let that slide go forward. Alright, now we have our takedown pins, one on both sides. We're going to pull back on that slide just a little bit to take some of the pressure off. We'll pull down on those pins, we'll release the slide, and again, keeping the firearm pointed in a safe direction, we'll pull the trigger and the slide should come right off. We're going to take our recoil spring, we're going to push in and lift up to pull that out. Same thing with our barrel. Alright, we're going to lift up and pull that out, just like that. The firearm is disassembled and ready for cleaning. Alright. Now you'd clean this just like you would anything else. Anywhere where metal touches metal, you want a little bit of oil. And then we're going to go ahead and reassemble it in the reverse order. So we're going to go ahead and take our barrel. We're going to go ahead and slide that right back in. And we're going to click that into place. We're going to take our recoil spring and we're going to kind of dive that into that much larger loop right here underneath. And we want that smaller end to be the end that hits that barrel, okay? So we're going to push in and down until that finds its way onto that barrel, nice and secure, just like that, alright? Now, on the frame of the firearm, alright, we do have the fins, and on the slide we have those grooves cut out. So we're going to go ahead and slide those fins into those grooves, and then we're going to go ahead and pull this all the way back, locking it to the rear. Alright, just like that, the firearm is reassembled and ready to use. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video today. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you soon.